Hello learners, and welcome to our today's lesson. We want to proceed from where we stopped last time. The unit is time and speed. In our previous lessons, we have learned how to convert hours into minutes, and also we did conversion of minutes into hours. In our today's lesson, we want to do something different, that is conversion of minutes to seconds. Conversion of minutes to seconds. The unit is time and speed. Time and speed. And our focus today is on conversion, convert minutes to seconds. Convert minutes to seconds, and we are on page 151. The first example: how many seconds are there in 8 minutes? Example, how many seconds are there in 8 minutes? How many seconds are there in 8 minutes? Answer. How many seconds are there in 8 minutes? We know that 1 minute, in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Therefore 8 seconds in 8 minutes. In 8 minutes we'll have how many seconds? We'll take 8 over 1 times 60 seconds. 8 over 1 times 60 seconds. This will be equal to 480 seconds. 480 seconds are there in 8 minutes. In 8 minutes. Example number 2. Example 2. Let me read it. Find the number of seconds in 5 minutes. Find the number of seconds. Let me write example 2. Example 2. Second example. Example 2. Find the number of seconds in Roman 1 5 minutes, in Roman 2 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's answer. Let's see how to answer this. Find the number of seconds. Number 1, in 5 minutes. We have seen here that 1 minute, in 1 minute, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Therefore, 5 minutes will be equal to 5 over 1 times 60 seconds. Times 60 seconds, which is equal to 300 seconds. So there are 300 seconds in 5 minutes. The question is, find the number of seconds in 5 minutes. So the number of seconds in 5 minutes is equal to 300. Then the second part is find the number of seconds in 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So here we will not convert the 30 because these 30 are already in seconds. We will convert 7 minutes into seconds, then we add to the 30 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 7 minutes will be equal to 7 over 1 times 60. Times 60, this is equal to 420 seconds. 420 seconds. Therefore, 7 minutes and 30 seconds will be equal to 420 seconds plus 30 seconds plus 30 seconds, which will give us 450 seconds. 450 seconds. So that is the answer, learners. Let me see if we can do more exercises. I want you to write down these exercises. Still on examples. We are working examples together. Find the number of seconds in A 40 minutes, B 60 minutes, D 125 minutes, A, B, C, then D 9 minutes 40 seconds, then E have 25 minutes and 35 seconds I want us to continue practicing together. So learners, make sure you write this down in your exercise book, then we can have the answers. So part A, you're supposed to find the number of seconds in 40 minutes. So 1 minute we said is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 40 minutes will be equal to 40 over 1 times 60 seconds. 40 times 60 is equal to 3,400 seconds. 2,400 seconds. This is correct. That one is correct. Then B, we need to convert 60 minutes into seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 60 minutes will be equal to 60 over 1 times 60 seconds times 60 seconds. So 60 times 60 is equal to 3,600 seconds. 3,600 seconds. That is correct. That one is correct. 60 times 60 is equal to 3,600. Let me come here, continue on this page. Learners, make sure you write as we are writing. Then you will take time and go through the videos again slowly before doing the exercises. B, C. After B, we have C. We want to convert 125 minutes into seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 125 minutes will be equal to 125 over 1 times 60 seconds. So we multiply 125 times 60. Okay, So I'm just multiplying by 6, then I'll add this 0. So 5 times 6 is 30, carry 3, 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3, 15, 6 times 1 is 1, plus 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1, 7. Then there was a 0 here. So the answer here is 7,500 seconds. 5,500 seconds. That is the answer to part C. 125 times 60 over 1 is equal to 7,500 seconds. Then let's do D. 40 seconds is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 9 minutes will be equal to 9 over 1 times 60 seconds. So 60 times 9, this is equal to 63. This is 630. 630, this will be equal to 630 seconds. 630 seconds. You are to convert 9 minutes and 40 seconds. So 9 minutes 40 seconds is equal to 630 seconds plus 40 seconds, which is equal to 670 seconds. These seconds do not need any conversion. The seconds are in seconds. So we just add the 40 seconds to the 630 seconds, which we converted from 9 minutes. From 9 minutes. Then part E. We need to convert 25 minutes and 35 seconds into seconds. That is E. 25 minutes and 35 seconds. We know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore we convert this 25 first. Therefore 25 minutes will be equal to 25 over 1 times 60. 25 over 1 times 60. 25 times 6, this is equal to 150. Then there is a 0 there. So 25 minutes is equal to 1,500 seconds. So 25 minutes and 35 seconds is equal to 1,500 seconds plus 35 seconds, which is equal to 1,535 seconds. Okay, 1,500. Let me write it properly. I have to bend. You've heard of the Swahili saying, mtakacha mvunguni lazima ainame. So if I have to write here, I have to bend. So the answer here is 1,535 seconds. 1,535 seconds. So learners, thank you for being attentive in our today's lesson. We have learned how to convert minutes to seconds. Minutes to seconds. And let me mark my work. This is correct. This one is also correct. And this is correct. So I have done more than 5 examples, close to 10 examples today. So before you we come to the end of this class. As it is our custom, I'm going to give you exercise. Go to your book on page 152, exercise 97, exercise 97 of page. On page 152, I want you to attempt convert the following into seconds. I want you to do question 1. Question 1. Question 1 has A, B, C, D, E, F. Do that work. When we meet next time, we continue to learn more about time. And we say that time is measured in hours, time is measured in minutes, time is measured in seconds. So we are learning how to convert time from hours to minutes, from minutes to hours, from minutes to seconds, from seconds to minutes. So that is very important for you to learn. We continue to learn more about that when we meet in our next lesson. God bless you.